This is my friend Viv's 5.0 Mustang. Did a full system for her. Put a Kenwood DDX419 and used the Soche dash kit, which integrated the AC controls into a touchscreen. The only strange thing about it is I don't know why they didn't put the radio up here so it's easier to get to. I guess when you're driving, the shifter is out of the way of the radio a little bit better. But I incorporated her volume into the steering wheel and her Bluetooth and the mute button. Let's see. Sirius satellite radio. It's got a Pandora app and a GPS app. I don't really have time to go through that right now. I gotta go to work soon. But I'll give you a little demo. I put a DC level 4 or level 5 coils in the back on a Viper-Kenwood-DC Audio-Knukon wiring.